Our core values are client service, teamwork, hard work, professionalism, and community service. And Allen is a poster child for all of those core values. On top of that, he's been counsel to the firm for many years. So when we say Allen is a lawyer's lawyer, we really mean it because we've asked him to serve as our counsel.
Allen was one of the godfathers of the Interest on Lawyer Trust Account program, which was created by the Supreme Court in 1982. IOLTA has raised approximately $46 million in Minnesota to serve low-income people. So that translates into, I don't know, 60, 70,000 families all over the state who would have gone without help except for the work that he did. And Allen, as I said, he was one of the godfathers. He actually argued the petition to the Minnesota Supreme Court.
Allen has devoted his time to just countless bar functions and community service initiatives that have to do, for example, with providing legal aid.
Well, I just think it's important that as lawyers and as our ethics code strongly recommends, that we do work for people who can't afford our services as well as those who can. That's been the motivation.
He's one of those people that I think have always seen the law not as a business but as a profession. That the privilege of being one of the gatekeepers of justice, which is what I consider lawyers to be, brings with it a responsibility to make that available to everybody. And Allen has been a role model.
Many of the newer lawyers are not as attracted to bar activities as people were when I was active. And I find that to be disappointing, and I think that the law firms have an obligation to encourage their younger lawyers to do that. There is so much to be gained by participating in bar activities, and it just rounds out the practice of law.
The lives that have been touched by his work, it's a staggering number. He's a terrific human being. It's an honor for me to know him.